PLS Max from BARWALT consistently spaces tile and removes lippage. It is a reusable precision leveling system that is great for floors and walls. PLS Max works great for most common tile and works especially well for thicker tile, up to 14 millimeter. PLS Max spacers come in 1/8 and 1/16 of an inch spacings. These bases keep your tiles evenly spaced for clean, consistent grout lines. You can easily snap off PLS after the thin set has dried. Use a rubber mallet to hit the system in line with the grout joint so that the bases break off cleanly below the tile. Kicking with a work boot is also a great way to remove the spacers and wedges. Discard the spacer bases and keep the PLS Max wedges for the next job. Use the BARWALT PLS pliers to get tight and level tiles. Our PLS pliers have an adjustable hard stop to prevent applying too much force and accidentally snapping the bases. PLS Max works with our reusable anti-scratch discs. These are great for when you need protection on surfaces that could become scratched. Easily get consistent tile spacing and remove lippage with PLS Max from BARWALT.